how to get a custom crosshair in Fortnite on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is load up your browser here on your PC and search for Epic Games. Click on the Epic Games store here that pops up and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you have been signed in, search for Crosshair V2. This is a free application, so click on Crosshair V2, give it some time to load here, and you want to click on Get. Now once you have clicked on Get, it's going to show you all of your information, so just click on Place Order and I accept. Alright, so once you have done this, once we have this, we will install it. So just give it some time here and you will click on Download Launcher. And here, this is going to load up the Epic Games installer, but we don't want that. So what we're gonna do is open up Epic Games on our PC. So Epic Games Launcher, load it up here, you already have it. And just search for Crosshair V2. Now it should be added to our account. So click on Crosshair V2 here. Again, give it some time to load and it's gonna say in library. So just click on it and you wanna install it. Auto update, create shortcut. Okay, click on install. Yes, and now it's gonna install. So just give it some time to install here. And once this has completed, we're just going to launch this application. So, all right, so click on launch and it's gonna look a little something like this, English. Okay, so now it looks like this. This is the UI. So we're just gonna close this and Crosshair V2 has popped up. Click on OK. Now, if we go into Fortnite, as you can see, we will not have the Crosshair V2 overlay. So what we want to do is press the escape key, then go into the settings. So go into settings here and make sure you change this to full screen windowed. And also you want to go into the UI and disable the reticle. Now click on apply and it's going to show like this. Alright, so we have this crosshair. So if you want to change the crosshair or the shape, you will just press this X key here on your keyboard, and as you can see, we changed the crosshairs. But we can also change the size by pressing the C button. So I'm just going to enlarge it. Alright, so I've pressed the C button, and now if I press X, as you can see, my crosshair is changing. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.